Maman means mother in Farsi, and it's a nod to my late mom, but it's also what we do. The mission of Maman nonprofit is to provide mother-like support to those who need that help. October 7th was a huge shift in how we operate. We went from being local to focusing on Israel. We provide mental health services to the women and children who are directly affected by the war. We provide community support to different displaced communities and communities where 80 to 90% of the men are away at war. We also began doing this for the Druze community that was affected in July of 2024. We also provide microgrants and infrastructure to help the people who've been affected by war find a way to be self-sufficient.
At the beginning of the war, we had a little toy store. We didn't have like a place. It was in the basement. And as the war continued, I realized I need a place to handle alone, also business, also 6 kids, also husband in duty for, I think, 450 days. It's not simple. And suddenly everything is on the woman. Maman helped me and my community. They organized for reservist families pizza events. They actually created a community because in those events we found ourselves not alone. Maman purchased items, toys, board games and more from my store. Thanks to Maman, we succeeded to take that little store that was in our house and became a real store. We knew that something and someone is taking care of our business and our life.
Since 7th October, all our lives have changed in Israel. We live in the north. There are missiles from Lebanon all the time. Last year, in 27th of July, a missile hit our field in Majd al-Shams and killed 12 kids and injured 42 people. I lost my brother and my cousin, and we lost 12 angels. And since that day, nothing is the same. Maman, at the first day, come to our field and gave us a lot of footballs and supplies for the kids who are injured, and gave us hands-on healing therapists, one-on-one, and group therapists also. Still, until now, after 1 year, every week they came and gave us this support. They rebuild our community.
The most urgent need right now is to make sure that we're able to help the victims of the Iran war. They need housing now.
אז אני גר בבני ברק עם ההורים שלי. אני גויסתי למילואים, לפיקוד העורף, בזמן המערכה מול איראן, ובזמן המערכה הזו גם נפל לנו טיל על הבית. כשנפל הטיל על הבית, ההורים שלי עוד היו במקלט. כל הבית שלנו הלך, כולו נהרס, וזה בעיקר הלם, כי אתה לא באמת יודע איך להגיב שטיל פוגע לך בבית, אתה נשאר בלי כלום. התמיכה מממן באמת עזרה לנו לייצב את ההתחלה. דווקא שהכל מבולגן ואתה לא יודע איך לקבל עזרה, זה פשוט הרגיע. ברגע שהיא אמרה לי שהם יכולים לסייע לי כלכלית, לשלם על שכירות להורים, לשלם להם על מקום לישון, וזה בדיוק מה שהיינו צריכים.
With the support of Maman, I have been able to breathe again, to think that there's a future.
It's a very exciting thing to know that someone who doesn't know me at all is worried about me, he cares about me.
כאילו זה חימם את הלב, להבין שכאילו אנשים אפילו בצד השני של העולם, אכפת להם ממה שקורה לך, רק מחפש איך לעזור.
They are like a mother to us. How the mother protects their kids without returning nothing, that's Maman.
I want to say big thank you to the Impact Forum Foundation in Los Angeles. You helping us a lot.
תודה רבה רבה. Thank you very much to the Impact Forum.
Thank you for all of this.